If Google Chrome's using up too much memory, causing Chrome and your computer to be slow, follow these fixes and we will get it sorted. Now the first thing that I would recommend you do before you do anything is go to Start and type in here Task Manager, open the Task Manager and look for Google Chrome. You can then right click on Chrome and then click End Task and find any other related Google Chrome tabs which might also be here. Once you've ended the task, you can then open up Google Chrome and see if that's fixed your issue. If not, the next thing you need to do is go to the three dots in Chrome, then go to Settings. Then here where it says Performance, which is the fourth one down on the left, click on that and then scroll down to Memory Saver. What this will do, you can change it from moderate to balanced to maximum, and it will essentially mean that any tabs that you aren't using will become inactive, so you won't have any videos playing in tabs that you don't use, or any elements refreshing which may cause Chrome to be slowing down and using a lot of memory. Once you're here and you're in these settings, hold down Shift and Escape in Chrome and you will get the Google Chrome Task Manager. Here what you can do is you can go ahead and end the task on any tabs which may be taking up a lot of memory. This will reduce your memory quite a bit. If you've got a tab which is taking up a lot of memory, you can click on it and click End Task. Two last things to try. You need to go to Extensions on the top right. If you've got a lot of extensions or extensions that you may feel like take up a lot of memory, you can just click on the three dots and then go ahead and click Remove from Chrome on any extensions that you may not be using. One final fix, if you go to your Start icon on your computer and go to Settings, you can then go to System, then go to Display, then scroll down and go to Graphics. Here you can then go to Advanced Graphics Settings and just disable Hardware Acceleration GPU Scheduling. If you've got an old computer or if you've got issues with Chrome, this could fix it as well. Apart from that, try and scan your computer for viruses, but all of those fixes combined should help you out.